ram hangar kompanya yakni ka skolba ki samla puri jong ka Nehu nen kasngi kilami pa ba bat pelong da ka jelang ha kot jong ka nehi ka ceka pule ba jakran sani ba halor ki babon ki mat jing dawa jong ki bakan thop ya ka jing dawa weng no yo Professor F.A. Qadri kumudin jong ka tnar School of Social Science nang ta ka jing dawa Sloit kam no sisendan yo Professor F.A. Qadri Nonghikai jong ka skolba Nehu bat ka jing dawa ka balai pat kalong ba ki bor panya jong ka skolba kim dai ban aila di kinu ki jingja ki bai dai pat ki kam ki bajrong ti ne lek lam akor ki kim thai pat la dalap kum kini ki jingja ki bor badai kimi ki dai ban panchitam ban mardor klam da ap ne boteng.
To the Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, subject Memorandum against Professor F.A. Qadri. With reference to the subject cited above, the Northeastern Hill University Students' Union would like to bring to your esteemed office with regards to the letter received by us dated 26 August 2016 regarding the alteration of supervisor on grounds of sexual harassment in the Department of History. In connection to this case, we would like to bring forth the following demands. Number one, removal of Professor F.A. Qadri as the Dean, School of Social Science. Number two, immediate termination of Professor F.A. Qadri's service as a teacher from the university. Number three, the university should not tolerate any case of sexual harassment and thereby punish the culprit immediately. We sincerely hope that you will attend to the demands put before you and justice must be delivered to the victim at the earliest. Thank you. And one more thing. When there is any agitation called by the Students' Union, the first and foremost question that all of you will ask is, do we have class today or not? Actually, that is not the question to be asked. I request all of you, this happened to one of our sisters. What if it happens to you and me and to one of our close relatives? You will feel bad. It is a crime against society. It is a crime against the family of the victim. And Professor Qadri will live with this guilt, with the crime he committed to the career of the victim, to the family, and to the students' community of Nehu.
Hadin ka jaya lang gini ki samla pulih ne kasngi ki lapan bot pat sada ka jing yai pat ba haka kot jong ka nehi ka skol ba haka ba lasdang na Central Library Nehu ba yai tar shadu ka jakat rekam jong Vice Chancellor Professor S.K. Srivastava andala poi ha office rekam jong Vice Chancellor ka Nehu kinai lam jong ka Nehu su klalai IT kini ki lightly ki majing dawa handai namar bo Vice Chancellor ka Nehu lalai jing net shabar jala la IT no yagni ka khas haka office rekam jong u ya ka bala pediang the way pat u he jong ka ni ka skol ba u Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! F.A. Qadri Murdabad! F.A. Qadri Murdabad! Justice! Justice! Aurea, Ninom Aina. Yurio Aurea. Yurio Aurea. Yurio Aurea. Yurio Aurea. Yurio Aurea. No solution.
So first of all, we would like to give you the memorandum, sir, that we as a student union have
Alright.
together.
Alright. I received this. Yes.
So, sir, according to the memorandum right here, the first is we want the removal of Professor F.A. Qadri as the Dean of Social Sciences, the School of Social Sciences, sir. So what do you have in response to that, sir?
You want removal of somebody. No. We are all university community. We must know how to behave.
Process also, sir.
Yes. I am going to listen to you. I am going to respond to you. But I wish to request all of you. This is our university. You are integral part of the university. I do not want to show ugly face of the university outside at all. I heard your slogans. And we stand here to look after that wrong appropriately and respond to you wrong, whatever wrong you find is wrong. And we are also going to address to that wrong very, very definitely, appropriately and befittingly. If that is not done, you have a right to protest. But without that, you don't have a right to protest. You are not supposed to waste your time like this. You are supposed to look after you the best. And your looking after the best is to first, for any protest, you have to register your complaint first. And you have to give the response time to the university before coming on the road. You should have called me. If at all there is a problem, I will go there and address the problem before you come on the road. I do not want to trouble you. I want you to spend your time in the classroom, in the playground, in recreation.
Sir, with all due respect, sir, it has gone away from the agenda. And
Yes.
one more,
Yes.
just in response to what you just said just now, that we haven't filed any complaint. But as far as we know, the complaint has been there with the women's cell. So the question is, what have they done till now?
Yes, the process has begun expeditiously. The process has begun expeditiously. 3 stages of the first steps are already over. Women's Cell has to submit its report, and they have been also given the ability to utilize all their procedures and practices in order to recommend whatever immediate action is required. Immediate action is also definitely on follow-up, which is there going to be taken on after the receipt of the recommendation of the Women's Cell. Without that, without response time, no action can be taken. I was surprised that you want justice without making me know that you are denied justice.
Delayed, sir.
No, you are not denied justice. Action has already started.
Justice delay is justice denied. Am I right? So, sir, all we want is immediate action, and we want your in black and white that you will be taking the action immediately.
Yeah, I assure you and every one of you that the action will be taken as early as possible.
Sir, not just your words, sir. We would want that in black and white, sir. We would want that in writing.
In paper. Yes. In paper.
What do you want, black and white? See, a person standing before you telling you you will get immediate, very immediate response to your request, and you will find that you are not denied the justice.
So, but
What else you want?
so with all due respect, sir, human work can change, sir.
Please keep yourself cool. Do not shout and do not make noise. Please. I'm going to tell you that I will call on the women's cell today itself. Find out. I will give them maximum 2 days to submit the report. And on the basis of that, prior to the report, on the face of it, on the memorandum of it, number one, I have been already told that the arrangement of the next supervisor has already been made. So supervisor of the scholar who has been put into difficulty, that problem has been already resolved. Regarding suspension definitely requires the recommendation of the women's cell. Without that, suspension is not possible under the circumstances. And I think that should be possible the moment within 2 days or 3 days the report comes, the suspension would also be possible.
So we've already heard that, sir. What we want is you writing that and signing it, giving it to the union, sir, so that everyone knows that
I intend to request all of you. First, let me say, I am pained, thoroughly pained. First, for the person who has been really put into a difficulty, my own scholar. And I am also pained because you all had to lose your time to take share. Share that pain and also seek a redress of the same. I view this very seriously, and I am definitely going to take action on it, and we will provide you response which is going to satisfy all of you before these people will leave from here. Okay, your office bearers are going to leave. We are going to give what I stated. We are going to request whatever is possible, the best possible we are going to do, which procedures permit us. Number one, I am going to request the women's cell to submit their recommendation within 2 days. Accordingly, if possible, and the circumstances are explicitly telling it, we will definitely suspend the person. And further course of action will take its due course. Is that all right for all of you?
Sir, we want that in writing, sir. Sir, if possible, sir, we are not the members of the executive members are not just the ones who have come here. All of us have come here. We will wait for that, sir. Can you all wait for us? We will all wait for that.
All right. Kindly sit